This video is designed to improve students' knowledge about study groups. If you want to know more about study groups and how to make the most of it, stay tuned to this channel. Hello and welcome to Basic 2 Tech for students, teachers, and math education. In this series of videos, we shall be discussing about study groups and how you can make the most of it. A study group is a group of students who meet together to study, complete assignments, and even prepare for an exam. Study groups provide value for students both inside and outside of the classroom. When it comes to academic success, there are many advantages to joining a study group. It helps streamline your studying process, allows for easy collaboration, and provides invaluable support from classmates and group members. The participants in these groups are able to form lifelong relationships through these meetings that help them grow as individuals. Here are 2 tips for making the most of study groups. 1. Choose the right group size. If you are studying with friends or classmates, make sure everyone participates equally in discussions. Otherwise, one person may end up doing all the work while others sit back and listen passively. If you are taking a class that requires collaboration on assignments, choose a small group rather than one large group so everyone has a chance to participate equally in conversations about ideas and concepts. 2. Choose a study spot that fits your needs. If you are studying with friends or classmates who live close by, try meeting at a coffee shop or library that offers plenty of seating options, including booths or tables, where each person can spread out notes without feeling cramped. In addition to helping with your learning, study groups can help you develop leadership skills and increase your confidence. You will gain the ability to plan and lead a project or task, as well as act as a role model for other members of the group. And that can make all the difference in the world when you are trying to stand out in a crowded world full of talented people. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.